You want to give great, thoughtful gifts that let your clients know how much you care about them and that you appreciate them. But you don't want to have to sit there and think about them or look on the internet forever. I got you covered. I'm going to share my 6th favorite with you. If you stop by today because you're all about growing your real estate business through your own strengths and through referrals, my name's Alisia Krastel, and that's exactly what we do here. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the little button so you get notified every time we drop a video. By the end of this video, you're going to have 6 go-to gifts that you can give at closing to make you look like a rock star, thoughtful, and they're going to keep you top of mind. I've used every single one of these myself, and they are simple and impactful. Number 1 is a return address stamp. When they're moving, you're going to order a custom-made rubber stamp. They make them with wooden handles and they're very cute. You can do that, or you can do the self-inking one. You're typically looking about $25 to $35, and it has the property address on them, and they'll always think of you every time they stamp that letter. Another option of that is to get the actual address labels, and there's a company that's called TPMCO. You can search them up, and I'll put the link in there. I have no affiliation, but they send out address labels, they send out magazines, and some postcards, all for $25 over a 5-year period. I use them in the beginning of my career, and if you're new and having trouble keeping track and don't have your systems in place, that's a really good bang for your buck. Along with the address change, if your clients have pets and you know their names or can find out their names, dog tags or pet tags is a great thing you can include in there too. Number 2 is cleaners for moving out or for moving in. Buyers and sellers have so much on their mind, packing, getting ready. Cleaning is just like that last thing that just burns them out. And if you can relieve that stress for them, that is a wonderful thing to do. You need to make sure that your cleaners are amazing though. If they're selling, you can have it scheduled for before they move, or if they're moving in, you can have it scheduled before they move in, or you can say you have this, we'll schedule it on a time that's good for you. Number 3 is a photo book, and they're especially great for new construction properties because you'll have pictures from the time they signed all the way through as you're updating and at closing. It is a great piece of memorabilia from the process for them. They're not getting rid of that book. They're going to keep it for a long time, and they're going to tell people, my realtor gave this to me. If you have a favorite gift or a go-to gift that you use, put it in the comments below. Number 4 is a package of brownies and a card with the picture of the actual house on it, sometimes with the actual client and the house on it if you can swing it like an inspection, get a picture of them. I send mine through send out cards, which is super convenient, but you can use any service you'd like. Send out cards, which I'll link below, has options for you to do 2 brownies, 4 brownies, a pack of like 18 brownies, but then you can customize the card, put the picture of them on the front, and then personalize the inside and the back, and you can include your logo if you want. I also do that when I go on listing appointments or buyer appointments, just introducing and saying thanks, and we're gonna be working together. That's so great to be working with you. 5 is one of my favorites, and it's stocking the fridge or stocking for essentials. So if you can find out what they like, or maybe if they're moving from in town and you can see like, did they like pancakes? Had they mentioned a certain drink they like? And you can put some things in the fridge for their moving day or for the first couple of days. That goes so far. You can do generic stuff in there. That's always great. But if you can, in conversation, find out 1 or 2 things that you know they really like and highlight that, that's where you really touch their heart. I first heard that idea from Mandy Little, and I've used it and clients love it. If you're not gonna do it in the fridge, you can always do a little basket of essentials. I mean, toilet paper, because that is a big bust when you have to go to the bathroom and there's no toilet paper, and all the essentials for cleaning, paper plates, plastic forks and knives. So they're set up so they're not hunting for things those first couple days. It's really frustrating. Number 6 is for your clients with little guys. Moving with kids is a little extra difficult, so you don't want to add to the complication or frustration with things that can make marks on walls, like regular crayons and markers. So I have a couple suggestions, which are books, and you can find some for very little kids, like there's a Daniel Tiger one, there's a Bernstein Bears one, all the way up to like a middle schooler. Those books are great, and you can get them off of Amazon and just have them shipped directly to you for closing. I also love the magnetic blocks because it's something I've found that my 3 kids, I have 12, 10, and 6, they have played with them at all of those age ranges, even younger. So it's something that can occupy almost anyone, and they don't make any mess, and they're really easy to clean up. If you found value out of those gifts, I share my complete communication appreciation plan in this video, and you can see exactly what I do to appreciate them throughout the year. And make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up so I know you find these videos valuable, and I'll make more of them.